Our customers' designs are continually evolving, using new materials and construction methods. This brings many benefits, but can also add to the technical challenges they face throughout the manufacturing process. At Autodesk, we strive to produce products that help our customers deliver on all of these production demands. One way we can achieve this is by using the adaptive software fixturing technology within PowerInspect to optimize the setup of parts for manufacturing processes. This radical approach to part setup reduces the need for complex and expensive work-holding fixtures and replaces the traditional manual methods that are sometimes used to locate parts for machining. But it's not just the location of the part on the machine tool that is important. Some processes require an equal distribution of machining allowance within the available stock to produce a good part. The advanced alignment tools in PowerInspect allow us to optimize the setup for both geometrical features and complex 3D surfaces alike, giving us greater flexibility over a wide range of parts and materials. Using measured data acquired from the real part, we can accurately determine the true form and location of the part. Then compare it to the nominal form and location and use this data to determine the optimum setup for the machining operation. Measured data can be acquired from a wide variety of measuring devices, such as tactile articulated arms, non-contact scanning systems, coordinate measuring machines, and machining centres. In some cases, the data may tell us that a part cannot be manufactured within the design specification, as the part may have too much variation from the nominal form or location. This is particularly true where there is any form of heat treatment or pressure involved in the part manufacture. For example, fabrications, forgings, press-ins, and carbon fibre composites. Once the optimum setup has been determined, we can transfer the setup data either directly to the machine tool and run the nominal machining toolpath NC code, or we can transfer the data to the CAM software so that the machining toolpath can be re-exported using the optimized setup. Using PowerInspect, we can quickly identify parts that will not conform and ensure the machining process does not take place.